First, take the logo canvas size. Click on Elements, search for T. Go to the Graphics section, add a T element. Next, search for D. Add a D element. Duplicate and overlap the T letter. Crop both T letters like us. Change the D letter color to golden. After this, add a heading. Type your brand name. Here we will choose the Poppins bold font. Select the logo elements and group them. Click on Position. Make it center. Adjust the size and position. Now, add a square shape. Change its color to black. Now, we will make a 3-line strip using this shape. Duplicate and place it to another side of the text. Change the text color to golden. Select these elements and group them. Select the entire design and scale its size. Download your design in transparent PNG format. After this, go to Google. Search for Photopea. Open Photopea. Click on Templates. We will choose the Office Glass logo mock-up template. Click on the Edit link. Double-click on your logo layer. First, hide the PNG layer. Click on File. Then, Open and Place. Add your PNG file. Adjust its size and position. Next, click on File. Click on Save Smart Object. Your logo is ready. To download, click on File, then Export as PNG. Now, save the file to download the logo. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.